Welcome to the SUNY Adirondack Library's tutorial for Professor Hayles' English 101 research paper, using your class LibGuide as a jumping-off point. Let's find the different types of sources you'll need for your research paper. The guide includes a section right here on how to find videos, peer-reviewed journal articles, and newspaper articles. Let's go to the search box at the top of the guide and put a topic in. For this search, I'm using social justice and minorities. And then we'll click search. In the results page, click on articles in the drop menu to the right of the search box. Then click on the magnifying glass to get only articles. Let's take a look at the results. Many of the articles are peer-reviewed, but let's move over to the Refine Your Results section on the left of the page and click on Peer-Reviewed under Availability. Looking at the results, we see that everything is labeled peer review, which can be helpful if that's what you're looking for. As we look down through the results here, click on any one that looks interesting. Here's the title, here's where it's from, here's the date, here's your citation, here's the ability to email the link back to yourself if you'd like. Remember, the computer-generated citations are not 100% reliable. Errors occur, so it's a good idea to check your citations against a reliable source, or even to check with an individual in the Center for Reading and Writing. Each of these links to full text of the article. I'll click on one of them. Here we go, here's the full text. You can download the PDF of the article from here. Here's your citation. We're back on the result. We'll click out of this. If you want to view videos, simply click on the Reset Your Filters here, and you can click on videos in this drop box to limit to video. You can also limit to videos under material type over here. There are 10 videos, and we can click on that to only see video. Back in your course guide, if you need a news article, you can click on Newspaper Source Plus here in your guide to take you to that database. You can also find Newspaper Source Plus database from the library's homepage using the Library Databases A to Z guide, going under N for the name of the database. Back in the guide, you can also improve your searching. Check out the video Get Better search results here. If you have any questions, please ask a reference librarian. Thanks and good luck.